I went to this wholesale market a few days ago and saw these fancy pens worth rupees 120. The same fancy pens were being sold at rupees 150 in the retail market. So, I decided to buy a few of them from the wholesale market and then sold them in the retail market. Without doing anything, I made a profit of rupees 30. This profit got me thinking. It made me start equating my investments and how I can make the most out of such mispricing in equity markets. It made me realize that in financial market terms, the profit of rupees 30 that I made out of selling those pens is called an arbitrage. Wondering what an arbitrage is? I did too, but I will simplify it for you. Just like how I bought those fancy pens from one market and sold it at a higher price in another market, in equities as well, there are two kinds of markets. Spot market that deals with the current price of stocks and futures market that deals with the future price of the stocks. Now, the rise and fall of stock prices is unavoidable, but this is where an arbitrage fund can play an important role. It identifies the price gap between the spot and the futures market, and it endeavors to give you a risk-free return. These price differences in the spot and futures markets are generally in line with the short-term interest rates in the economy, which means one can earn returns in line with short-term interest rates in the economy by getting into such arbitrage trades. A fund, which is an open-ended scheme, which gains by simultaneously buying in one market and selling in another. It invests at least 65% of its portfolio in equity arbitrage opportunities and the rest of its portfolio in high-quality debt and money market securities. Here are some benefits of why I suggest you should invest in this fund. If you have a low-risk appetite, along with short or mid-term goals, just like mine, then this fund could be the one for you. It insulates itself from the volatility of the equity markets and aims to generate a more stable risk-free return. It also gives returns in line with short-term interest rates in the economy, along with tax efficiency of an equity fund. In addition to everything, it's a suitable tax-efficient alternative to liquid or traditional investments or saving methods. So, if you wish to invest for short term and make the price difference between equity markets work for you, I suggest you also go for the Edelweiss Arbitrage Fund. Start your investment journey today by visiting our website www.edelweissmf.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. To know more, listen to Money Connect, an Edelweiss mutual fund podcast where you can now learn all about investments through simple stories and conversation.